So the tail light of my Toyota Highlander 2013 got smashed and I am about to replace it. I forgot to do the recording earlier on. So this is the new light. The removal is a little bit tricky but not that difficult. As you can see, there are two nuts which hold this one and this one. Both these nuts, both these screws are tightened with nuts. One goes through here, one goes through here. There are guiding knobs, one on this and one on the button. One goes here, one goes there. So the connections are, electrical connections are also very simple. It's not a difficult job. The one thing which is missing, there is a grommet here, a retainer clip, which is missing and I'm unable to find it. So I'm just going to install the light without it. Hopefully it should be fine. The only important thing when you are opening up the trim, there are several videos which will show you how to open the trim up. So this is how everything looks after being opened up so that I can gain access to the light. This trim has been removed. This box has been removed. This trim piece comes here. This has been removed. This box is there. This has been removed. So these plastic trim pieces are a little hard to get out, but if you have been doing such type of work on the car, you can do it. It's a little bit frustrating, but you can get it done. The most important thing which you need to do this job, again I will repeat, is this 1/4 inch ratchet drive, 3 inch extension and deep socket of 10 mm. Without this, you will not be able to do the job. So I have connected all the cables, 1, 2, 3. Now these two screws will be guided in there, like this, and all you need to do is just push the light in. There it goes in. Seems fine. So all I need to do now is install those screws and this should be secured. So what I'm going to do now is I have finger tightened the screws in here and push the light a little bit so that it is easy to tighten it, and then going for the upper screw. Also, yeah, done. Now I will use the ratchet to tighten these. This is how the ratchet has been. So for the lower one also, the 3 inch extension is making it easy. There it is. There is the lower one. And I have installed the light. The next thing remaining is I have to repair this crack with the epoxy, and that I will also cover in another video. Thanks for watching. So the light is installed and done.